Can you sing a chromatic scale? Every singer can sing a major scale, but can you sing every note between those notes? That's the challenge of the chromatic scale. Instead of moving by whole and half steps, you navigate an unbroken chain of half steps, a surprisingly demanding test of pitch accuracy, tonal awareness, and vocal control. That is exactly the challenge we will be training this week. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of Kovo, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. Now, this week we are wrapping up Kicks Month at Kovo. Here we spell Kicks C-I-C-S. That stands for Kovo Intervals, Chords, and Scales. This is our special version of ear training for singers. And today's routine is going to be a real ear training challenge. We're going to begin by learning chromatic solfège syllables, then connecting them into a complete chromatic scale, and finally using them in a longer musical pattern that combines an arpeggio with a twisty chromatic descent. So buckle up. Now, most of us know the solfège syllables for the major scale, thanks in part to the famous, or should I say infamous, song from the musical The Sound of Music. Do a deer, we know the syllables do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, and ti. But did you know that there are syllables for all the half steps in between those notes as well? In this first exercise, we are going to sing every interval from the half step through the perfect fifth using those chromatic solfège syllables. In the first part of the exercise, the intervals grow by one half step each beat. Minor third, major third, perfect fourth, tritone, perfect fifth. Then in the second half, the intervals shrink by one half step every beat. Perfect fifth, tritone, perfect fourth, major third, minor third, major second, minor second, and then a bonus minor second, also known as a half step. So let's try that slowly at first. If these syllables aren't familiar yet, this is a great way to learn them. Here we go. Do, di, do, re, do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, fi, do, so, do, si, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do, ra, do, ti, do. Let's continue up in pitch, moving just a little faster. Do, di, do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, fi, do, so, do, si, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do, ra, do, ti, do. those syllables? Great job. So our next exercise is a historical one by the famous baritone and voice teacher Julius Stockhausen. So this exercise starts with alternating half steps. Then we go up the chromatic scale from do to so. There's so. Then we have another pair of alternating notes at the top. And then we sing down the chromatic scale from so to do. Now, look carefully at the syllables. You might have noticed this on the past exercise, but one of the interesting features of chromatic solfège is that raised and lowered notes have different names, even if they are the same note on the piano. For example, C sharp is D, the syllable D, not the note D, do D, when the C has been sharped, but D flat is Ra, when Re, that's the note D, has been flatted, although they are played on the same key of a piano. Is it D? Is it Ra? Well, that's determined by whether the note has been raised or lowered. So let's give this a try really slowly. Here we go. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di. Here we go up. Do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Phew! Breathe whenever you need to. Can we do it just a little faster? Here we go. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Let's go on. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Little faster. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Okay, back down. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, si, fa, mi, me, re, ra, do. Would you like to try it without me? I'll still accompany you. Here you go, give it a try. Oh my goodness. Now Now for the real test. Can you sing this a cappella? I will give you the first note of each beat, and you fill in the rest. Okay, here we go. Would you like to try that one more time? Here you go. And how'd you do? Let's sing it together one final time. Do di do di do di do di do di re re mi fa fi sol la sol la sol la sol la sol la so se fa mi me re la do. We did it. In our final exercise, which we will use to warm up the high voice, we're going to start with the basic ascending arpeggio, but then return back to the tonic via a long and winding road, to quote the Beatles, first with a little chromatic scale, then eventually returning to a major scale for the final 5 notes of descent. So let us try that at first with the solfège syllables indicated here on the slide, really slowly. Here we go. Do, mi, so, do, ti, te, la, li, so, fi, so, fa, mi, re, do. I kind of slowed down at the hard part. Let's do it like that again. Do, mi, so, do, ti, te, la, li, so, fi, so, fa, mi, re, do. One more time before we really get going. Do, mi, so, do, ti, te, la, li, so, fi, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now, as we take this up in pitch, I invite you to leave off the syllables. You can sing this on la 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 or any vowel that feels comfortable for warming up the high voice. I usually recommend an open vowel like o or a, or even like in the word love. Here we go. If and when this gets too high for you, you can drop down an octave or just hang on, because we'll be coming back the other way in just a moment. We'll turn around. Now for one final challenge. I'm going to sing the arpeggio with you. Do, mi, so, do. But then I'm going to let you try the next two beats on your own, and I will rejoin you, so, fa, mi, re, do, for the final descent. Okay, here you go. Even when I stop singing, you keep going. Do, mi, so, do. So, fa, mi, re, do. Would you like to try that again? Maybe a tiny bit slower. Here we go. Do, mi, so, do. So, fa, mi, re, do. Let's sing the whole thing together one last time. Do, mi, so, do, ti, ti, la, li, so, fi, so, fa, mi, re, do. Well done. So I hope that this workout helped you strengthen your command of the chromatic scale and chromatic solfège. The more fluently you can hear and reproduce every half step, the more confidently you will navigate chromatic melodies, accidentals, and challenging passages throughout your repertoire. If you enjoyed this exercise routine, we would love to keep singing with you. Every week we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and details on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any new Kovo warm-up routines, you can subscribe to this channel or use the link below to have each new vocal exercise routine of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.